I'm trying to fade out the teal so that I can re-dye it or something, or just see if I can. I'm just curious if I can get the teal out of it. So I mixed baking soda with conditioner and I applied it evenly in the hair. So this is what you see. I'm going to leave it in for about 10 minutes. I've seen this solution online. I'm just trying it to see if it works. So let's see if it works. If you mix baking soda with hair conditioner and you put it in your dyed hair, it is going to fade it. Somewhere at the end of last year in December, I dyed my hair with food color. It was blue when I mixed it, but when I put it in this, it was blonde. When I mixed it, it became teal. What you need is baking soda, and you also need hair conditioner. I got some cheap hair conditioner in Medina Market for like 2 cedis in a bottle. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You mix it all together and you put it in your hair, and it's gonna look something like that. And then when you wash it out, it's going to come out something like this. If you have questions about this method of fading color from your hair, please leave it in the comments below. Does it damage your hair? Does it break your hair? To me, no, because I tried this before when I dyed my hair, I think pink or red with food color, and nope, my hair didn't break and it was fine. What else? Does it damage your scalp? But that one I don't know. It's not something I do on the constant, so I wouldn't know. So I'm not getting any hair breakages so far. So far so good. It's good. I've moisturized it with castor oil and shea butter. If there's anything that you're too scared to try on your hair, you want me to take a look at it, or you want me to try it, please leave in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Positive vibes only. Go forth and be awesome. Juju.